A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hello everyone! It's been quite a while, but I am back from my break and I'm wearing a cool new shirt that I made myself. These aren't on sale yet, but you know, they'll be up for the next shop update, which is going to be after I move out, so sometime in June. I had a pretty good break overall. It was very much, I started the break and I was like, yeah, and then halfway through the break I was like, my life is falling apart. And then towards the end I was like, no, I'm okay. And now I am back. I really enjoy working, so it was kind of difficult for me to take a break, but I am back with the intention to live a balanced life and not just work. While I was gone, I learned how to crochet, which is exciting. This is just a granny square, but I'm gonna use it as like a coaster because it's my favorite color. Yeah, I learned how to crochet and it's actually so fun and so relaxing. Today's goals is going to be making info cards for my website because I updated my website, but I need to make like info cards and all that. And I want to do some sketching in my sketchbook. I haven't sketched traditionally in quite a while. I've been focused on digital drawing, so I want to sketch in my sketchbook and I want to do as much art and work that has to do with all this as much as I can before like 2 weeks from now, because then moving out is gonna be in full force and there will be a moving out vlog and like, you know, apartment stuff content for you guys. But yeah, this will probably be the last studio vlog until I move out, which is so crazy. My last time working in this room. Let's get started. This was a very long intro. I am sorry. Making some info cards. The prints for this month's Patreon rewards came in. I normally print them myself and cut them myself, as you know, but I have reached a point where it's better for me to get them made. Here they are. It's a little cow in a flower field. And I think for the back now I can write like personalized messages or like a thank you message or something. But yeah, I ordered 100 because there was only a quantity of either 50 or 100, and I think I have like around 65 or something like that 5th tier patrons. But I've set a limit now on that tier for 100 patrons because, you know, 100 postcards, so that, you know, I don't get more than 100 after I order them and then I don't have any postcards for them. But yeah, they're so cute. So I went to the art supply store and I bought the neon acrylic wash paints and then like 2 random colors. And I already had this one, but I bought the neon gouache paints and I also bought some neon Copics. These are the only colors they had, so these are the ones I got. And I got these like bright blue pens. So I wanted to practice with that. The writing is terrible because I made the paint thick and then the pen was like digging into it, but it's fine. I just made like this little snacky snack that I sketched earlier, and you know, some strawberries. I swatched the paint, this little house. But yeah, I've been wanting to try out neon traditional art supplies, and I really like mixing the colors with white because it makes them like this really cool muted neonish color. But yeah.
Still here. So we're going to move across to the next corner. We're going to chain 1 and then do 3 trebles into the next corner. 1, 2.
Okay, quick life update. I'm bleaching part of my bangs. This was pretty impulsive, but I have like a bunch of bleaching stuff in my bathroom because I used to be that friend that would bleach and dye your hair. So I have a bunch of stuff left over, and I have brown hair dye, so if this ends up bad, then I can just dye it back. But yeah, this is my first round of bleach. I just added it to the roots, and I'm pretty sure I missed right there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do another round or 2, but we'll see how this goes tonight. This is what we're looking like. This is what the little chunk is looking like. So after the clip you just saw, I went to sleep after rinsing off the bleach. I bleached it twice, and I think it lifted this fast because it's just like a small piece. And that's also why I didn't want to bleach a 3rd time, because it's such a small piece. I don't want to like fry it off like right on the front of my head. After that I went to sleep, and the next morning I went to get toner. I used Wella T14. I'm just telling you guys this in case you are looking to bleach your hair and you have the same color hair as me and you're Hispanic, so you know each hair type is different when bleaching and dyeing it. But yeah, I used Wella T14 and the light just changed. And it came out to this. It killed all the orange, which is what I wanted, but I do want to kill a little bit of the yellow, just a tad. So I'll probably tone it again sometime this week. I like it a lot. I feel like it's very me. Every time I dye my hair, I do like it, but I don't feel myself with it, or yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really feel me, but I feel like this one really does feel me. I feel like I look best with black hair, which is why I also don't normally dye it, but I think this looks nice. So this week we are packing patron mail rewards, as I always do, I think, in most of these vlogs. And I think I showed you guys the prints that I ordered came in. Came out very nice, a little bit smaller than I thought, but it's okay. So I'm gonna be making the stickers, and I'm also gonna be packing store orders, and I'm done explaining what I'm gonna do because I'm just gonna do it and show you. Hello my friends. Today my hair is not being amazing. So yesterday I didn't film anymore after what you saw because I got a raging migraine. So I was basically useless for the rest of the day. Today you saw me pack up some orders, some store orders, and I have finally finished cutting all the stickers for the patron rewards, every single one. So the rewards are ready. I now am going to prep all the envelopes, maybe start packing them today, I'm not sure, but right now I have to go to the post office to take these orders for the store, and I also need to buy stamps for the patron envelopes because I'm running out again. So yeah, I need to do that, and I'm gonna take a quick snack break and go get a Korean corn dog because I love those so much. And I saw someone eat a hot Cheeto one, and I never get those, but I kind of want to try it, so we're gonna do that. I always show you guys my little bagoo where I have my orders, and let's go to the post office. Hello my friends. It is kind of late into the day for me to be updating, but it's 2 p.m. right now. I have spent the entire day packing patron mailed rewards, and I am almost done. I just have to put the rewards into the envelope and seal it. I have everything else prepped, and I only have this many left to fill, so I'm more than halfway done. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop for today because my back is killing me. I've been sitting at this desk all week. I'm just gonna finish up tomorrow. It won't take me long now. I've done all the difficult parts and I've fully packed up most of them. So the ones that I have packed up, I'm going to go take to the mailbox, and I'm gonna go get lunch because I'm starving, and then I will come back. And I am wanting to redraw a few things. Like I want to redraw the little patron icons for the tiers. I want to redraw a YouTube and patron banner. Just like that, like branding sort of stuff, I want to get redrawn into something else and kind of sketch and draw a little bit because I haven't had that much time, and I won't until I move out basically. So this is like my last week to be able to do stuff like that, so. My room is a mess, but my outfit today, okay, I'm wearing Big Bud Press work pants. I hadn't owned any and I wanted to try them out, so I got the red ones and I think they're so cute. I'm normally a size 8 to 10 in pants, and I got the size medium, and I actually could have gotten a small because these have elastic in the back, so they're like a little bit loose, like the elastic isn't even being used. So I could have gotten a small, but I got a medium and they fit perfectly. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, because you guys know that artists are hoes for Big Bud Press. Hello, I just wanted to kind of check in on the last day. I know this vlog wasn't as long as they normally are. It was very weird timing because starting tomorrow I am beginning my moving process. So packing, making sure I buy everything that I need, you know, taking care of everything. The moving process begins tomorrow. It was kind of like the break and then my moving process begins, so like in between that time I didn't really have time to like fully get back to work. So this was kind of like a weird 2 weeks, but I am here now and I wanted to update you guys and show you that the new washi tape is finally here. So these will be available for the shop update, obviously. This was my last studio vlog in this space, which is so crazy. Right now I can't even imagine like living in another space. Pretty soon it'll become the norm and that's where I will be working and living and stuff. I do have moving vlogs coming. I will be back with a moving vlog on May 30th. That is when the first moving vlog will be uploaded. It's going to be, you know, like the first 2 weeks of the moving process, and then the week after that will be another moving vlog. I'll probably have like 2 or 3 in total of the whole moving series, but so excited about this, but also terrified, but also very excited. And I'm very, very, very thankful for you all. It's very crazy that almost exactly a year after beginning this whole journey, I am now like able to move out into an apartment because of following my passion and because of you guys showing love to me and believing in me. Yeah, it's really insane and I'm really grateful for it, and I can't wait to create so much more different content in my new space and keep going on this journey with you all. So yeah, I will see you guys on May 30th and I love you and stay safe, and yes, I will see you then. So before I close out today's vlog, I really quickly want to talk about today's sponsor, Squarespace. So if you don't know what Squarespace is, it is an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. It is the platform that I have used to run my website and my business since the beginning. They have some really great tools, like the design tool is great for beginners, or if you are super good at coding, it allows you to do that as well. The website analytics are also super useful, so you can see how your website is doing. And the commerce tool makes it super easy to hook up your store to any other platforms that you need to. So if you're wanting to start your free trial with Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com, and when you are ready to make your first purchase, you can use my code for 10% off.